Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. First of all, you need to go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down, tap on System, select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and your currently used keyboard, in my case Gboard. Over here, go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Then you can select a photo by clicking on the chosen one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap Done. Finally, you can click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!